With a sponge loaded with white paint, dab just above your lip like this. I'm using Tag White. Now paint white over both eyelids at an angle, then up onto the forehead to a point. I'm using Diamond FX Color Splash Split Cake. Sponge this color on your forehead. Continue painting the same color on the cheekbones. With some green and yellow paint on your sponge. Sponge under your eye space and down your nose. Please hit the bell and subscribe if you want to be notified about more videos like this one. At this point, you can add some glitter with your fingers or a glitter spray. Using a round brush or disposable applicator, apply some pink on the lips. Using black paint on a dagger brush. I will start the tiger stripes. I'm using a medium global brush. Starting on the center of the forehead and down one side. Use part of the eyebrow as a guide for the stripe above the eye. Now carry on down the side of the face with the stripes curving towards the eye. Copy the design to the other side of the face. Still using black paint, 2 lines down the nose, filling in the nose tip. Then dab a few marks with your brush above the nose lines and on the cheeks. Now I outline the muzzle area with black paint. And then sweep a few lines on the outer eye. I also paint a line down the center of the muzzle area which gets thicker towards the lip. I then outline the top lip with a liner brush. And using my Dagger brush, I do 6 muzzle lines, 3 each side. Using a round brush, I paint a few white dots on the black tiger stripes. And a white highlight on the nose. Then I finish off with some glitter on the lips. There you go, a rainbow tiger.